So this is a desk organizer that I made from just cardboard, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make it. Alright guys, we have our cardboard ready, and first of all, when you're going to make like something like this, you always want to have the base measured out, and like especially knowing how much room you have. So right now I'm just going to make the base. This is me right now prepping the cardboard boxes. Okay, after that I'll start cutting out all the pieces for the base. And for me, I only have enough room for like 20 by like a foot for the size. Start cutting that. Now that I finished the base, you can start making little slots to hold like separate books and stuff. And also I'm gonna have some room for like pencils, pens, and like little miscellaneous things. Okay, so right now I'm gonna start measuring for all the different slots that'll go onto this base, and I'm gonna use this as a reference that'll hold like notebooks and things. Just say 10.5 inches to like right here. Then we'll check the width and how wide it can be. I'd say it'd be fair to give it a good 3 inches. Pretty good. And I'll do 2 of these little slots to 6 inches. So this is basically the layout of it. Have little boxes here to have like pencils and pens. Also over here, I don't think I'll just have like just a flat spot to put like other stuff, and like maybe displays or something over here. And then here are going to be tall slots for books and like notebooks and stuff. So now we'll start cutting all the cardboard pieces out and start shaping this. What I'm doing right now is basically looking at the base and trying to discern what type of measurements I should take. After cutting the pieces out, I'll start gluing them all on. Okay, now I'm going to add on the last pieces for this, and that's about it. So right now I'm going to be cutting and adding a couple more pieces just to make it neat. So now that I finished the whole thing, I'm going to go ahead and cover the whole thing in packing paper and glue to make the whole thing stronger. Now this is optional, but if you would not want to do this, you might have to just glue all the edges, just make them stronger, because it will eventually just break down and get like weak and stuff. So I'd recommend that, but you don't have to if you don't have the supplies or anything. Now that I'm done adding all the packing paper and glue, I'll varnish it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this helpful, please consider subscribing.